Are you worried about the impact of AI on jobs? You're not alone. As artificial intelligence technology continues to advance, it's changing the job landscape in both positive and negative ways. But before we dive into the amazing content, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a news update. In some industries, AI has led to increased efficiency and productivity. Robots can perform repetitive tasks much faster than humans, allowing companies to streamline their operations and reduce costs. This has created winners in industries like manufacturing and logistics, where jobs involving repetitive tasks are being automated. But AI hasn't just taken jobs, it's also created new ones. As companies adopt AI technologies, there is a growing demand for skilled professionals in areas like data analysis, machine learning, and AI programming. These winners have embraced AI and are reaping the benefits of increased job opportunities. However, there are losers in this equation too. Jobs that involve routine cognitive tasks, like data entry, are at risk of being replaced by AI. These tasks can be easily automated, leaving many workers unemployed or needing to upskill to stay relevant. The impact of AI on jobs also extends to professions like truck driving and customer service. With the development of self-driving vehicles and chatbots, these job roles face potential disruption. Workers in these fields may need to adapt their skills or transition into new industries to stay employed. As we look to the future, it's important to recognize that AI is not a threat to all jobs. Rather, it's a tool that can augment human capabilities and enhance productivity. Jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving are less likely to be automated, offering opportunities for human workers to thrive. In conclusion, the impact of AI on jobs is a complex issue with both winners and losers. While some will benefit from increased efficiency and new job opportunities, others may face challenges in finding employment. It's crucial for individuals and businesses to adapt, upskill, and embrace these emerging technologies to ensure a positive and inclusive future of work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.